Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayush and today I'm gonna answer some of your questions. And our first question of the day is, hey Ayush, are you going to continue drawing realistic characters in future? Yes, I will, because I enjoyed my recent drawing the Iron Spider-Man a lot. It turned out really great, which I was not expecting, but it did, and even you guys liked it, and you guys enjoyed the video. So yes, I will definitely. It can be Iron Man, it can be Captain America, it can be Black Panther, it can be Thor. Well, who knows? We'll see. Moving on. How can we meet you? Okay, that is so generous of you that you want to meet me. Even I want to meet you in future. If ever we get opportunity to, meet personally, I would love to. And usually YouTubers meet their subscribers or admirers, or what you call fans, in YouTube events where it's meet and greet event, I guess. Yes, so usually that happens when your channel is quite big, and hopefully we'll reach there someday, and I get to meet you guys, and you guys can meet me. So let's see what awaits for us in future. Why did you started using mechanical pencil and stopped using HB pencil? So one of the main reason of using mechanical pencil, at least for me, was I don't have to sharpen it again and again after using it for a while, which was really helpful for me. And it gets quite irritating after some time. You have to sharpen it again and again. And the second reason was it is really accurate. The lead is of a same size and same thickness, because of which you get same linear lines and same thickness of line, if I put it accurately. Yeah, but in HB pencil this is not the case. When you sharpen it, it gives you thin lines, and after using it for a while it starts giving you more thicker and thicker lines. So these were a few reasons why I started using mechanical pencil in place of HB pencil. But it's not like HB pencil is not good. You can create some really great sketches with it too. It's just personal choices. Some people prefer HB pencil for more traditional feeling, and some prefer mechanical pencil, like me. Have you seen the film The Avengers Infinity War? I'm French. I don't use Google traduction. I guess you mean translation. I'm good. No. But this video is very great. Thank you so much. Yes, I have seen Avengers Infinity War. In fact, I saw it twice. I really loved the movie. It was really great, and I guess it was the best superhero Marvel movie for me. I enjoyed it a lot, and that's why I saw it twice. My Q&A question is, do you play Fortnite? That's quite a good question. Actually, I started playing Fortnite. I played few games for few days, I guess. For a week, I guess I played Fortnite, but I didn't really like it. I did not enjoy it a lot. There, like other players, there are a lot of people who still enjoy Fortnite and are still playing Fortnite. It's a good game, but it's just matter of preferences and choices. It's just not the type of game which I would like to play. So no, I don't play Fortnite. Moving on, which is your favorite Marvel and DC character? My favorite Marvel character is Wolverine, and my favorite DC character is Superman. Thoughts on starting a video game streaming channel? Okay, I would say because it's a streaming channel, you don't have to worry about editing or any of that stuff. You just have to go live and start playing and enjoying your game. And enjoying your game is really important, because if you don't, then your viewers will also not enjoy watching you. So you have to enjoy your game so that your viewers can enjoy you watching you. So you should not really think about it. Just just do it. Just go live, play your favorite game, and enjoy. Hey Ayush, a question for Q&A. Which college did you used to go, and where did you got your degree? JJ School of Art? No, I did not go to any art school till now. I am a self-taught artist, as I always mention. As for the college, the name of the college was Rizvi College. I don't know if you know the college or not, but yeah, that's the name. And for the degree, it was of hotel management from the same college. So yeah, no JJ School of Art or any other art school or colleges. Yeah, that was my college and my degree, and I guess I'm sharing this for the first time. Okay, moving on. Dude, my question is, are you good at drawing a portrait of real people? If yes, can you please do one? Okay, I have actually not really drawn a lot of portraits of real people because I don't really enjoy drawing real people. I don't know. I don't enjoy drawing them, and I enjoy drawing animes and superheroes, anime, which is actually more animated than more human and realistic. So basically, I don't enjoy drawing humans. At least not yet, and because I have not drawn a lot of them, so I don't really know how well I can draw them and where actually I stand in drawing, in real sketches of real people. Hey Ayush, Aryan here. So my question is 60 shades of alcohol based markers is best for a beginner, and how to blend pencil colors? I'm really bad at blending. Okay, for the shade of alcohol markers, 60 is a good number, yes, but in having the number of shades is always better. It's always better to have as much as shades as possible. The more shades you have, the more options you have while coloring, and your coloring will be more accurate and precise. But yes, 60 shades is good for a beginner. Even I started with 60 shades of touch of markers. You can add on, you can collect more and more as time passes. So yes, it's good for beginners. And for the blending of pencil colors, actually I have not really used pencil colors a lot. Currently I'm using Prismacolor pencils, but that too I haven't used a lot. So for Prismacolor pencils, when I try to blend them, I use the lighter shade, and I try to mix them till I am satisfied with the blend and satisfied with the result. And that's how I do the blending with my Prismacolor pencils. I don't know which pencil you are using, but I know this much, that for blending, you need a good paper where you can blend your pencil colors easily. So I would suggest you to get a good paper which suits your type of color pencils, so that you can use them easily on the paper and blend them quite smoothly. And also keep using your pencil colors. The more you use, the more you will know how to use them, and the more you will know about the pencils. So that would help you to know more about how to blend them, and you'll get a hang of them. So keep using them and get the appropriate paper. Why and how this new guideline is used? Are you gonna do more realism now? Because I don't mind, but I like anime too. The new guideline which I use in my recent drawing, Iron Spider-Man, that's called the grid method, which I also mentioned in the video. So this guideline is used especially for drawing full page drawings and big portraits, so that you can easily keep right proportion and draw the body parts and place them in correct places. And for how to use it, there are actually plenty of videos out there if you want to know how to use this method. So for better understanding, I would suggest you to watch the videos on how to use them. And yes, I will do more realistic drawings like we did for the Spider-Man, but we'll also draw anime characters. Which is your favorite motivational anime character, Midoriya or Naruto? It's Naruto, and it will always be Naruto. Ayush, I have a question for you, that I recently started using alcohol markers. Do you have any tips for using them? Okay, the first tip I would like to give you is, again, go for the good appropriate paper which is suitable for using your alcohol markers, because if you are not using a good paper which is suitable for your alcohol markers, you will not get the desired results and you won't be really satisfied with your drawing. So I would recommend you to go for blending cards from Expressit, or you can also go for Bristol Smooth from Strathmore. I've used both of them and they are really good. They work really good with alcohol markers. They are quite thick and they can absorb a lot of ink, and also you can do really good blending in that paper. And my second tip would be use them as much as possible. The more you use them, the more you will come to know how to color with them and how they work on the paper. So those were the tips. I hope it helps. And moving on to our next question, and it is Ayush, my question is, how do you get right proportions in drawings? Any techniques? As for the techniques, you all already know that I use box methods for most of my drawings, and for my last drawing I used the grid method, which was really helpful, especially for keeping the right proportions. So in the grid method, the several boxes which I drew helped me to keep the right proportion of body parts. And for the box method, for keeping right proportions, first I draw a rough figure and rough layout of body sizes, body figures, and I place them where I want to. And when the rough layout is ready, I give more and more detailings by adding more and more layers to it. And that is how I give proportions in the box method. And moving on to our last question of the day, and it is, can you tell me how do you use soft color pastels in your drawings, such as the one used in coloring Susano for the Q&A video? Actually, using soft color pastels is quite easy. You first apply the color pastel on the paper in the area where you need the colors, and then by using your finger you smudge it all across the area where you need to color. And if you want to make it more darker, you apply more and more layers of color pastel and smudge them with the finger. And if you want to make it more lighter in shade, then you don't add more and more layers. And that's what I did for coloring the Susano. And that wraps up our Q&A session for today. I really enjoyed answering these questions. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then drop a like and share your views down below in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos, drawing tutorials, Q&As and more. Also ring the bell so that you get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. And you can also follow me at Twitter, Instagram and Facebook at Aayush Pencilart for getting my daily updates, and I'll be also sharing their links down below, so go check them out. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.